Yo, MFG. Y'all probably don't believe me because lost a little weight. First time tapping in the new year, and I'm like, man, I ain't hollered at my MFG fam in a second. So here I go, quick check-in before I do this next meeting. Wanted to tap in, let y'all know what's going on, let y'all know what we got up for this year, this month really. See if I can set this down. Computer dirty, we're not gonna set that down. All right, so this year we got a lot of stuff lined up. New American Manufacturing Renaissance Tour coming. State of Illinois, as they usually sponsor some of their own iteration of their tour. That's the Made Tour. Make It in Illinois Made Tour will be back. Dates will be dropping soon for both tours. Locking in sponsors right now. We're locking in cities right now. So if you want to be on that tour this year, do it right now. Right now is the time to either sponsor or to get an inquiry for your city to come out. Got to get it cracking now. 15 cities this year, might only do 12. It's a lot of traveling. And your boy is doing a lot of outside work. So Philly and Detroit, we're still building those training centers. Got a building in Detroit, been building, that's getting freshly built out. So that's awesome. We're gonna be shopping for machines and robots and all the great things soon. And Philly, man, we still trying to find a building. So if you got one, holla at us, tap in, want to get that from you and train a bunch of people, train the next leaders of the New American Manufacturing Renaissance. Yeah, got that going. Next cohort of manufacturing, bridge building that we're doing. We actually have 2 coming up. I believe we're gonna be doing a Heartland edition for Kansas and Missouri area. So any programs or training, go out there, drop it in the comments. We wanna hear from them. We wanna give some money to help their cause and help them align their goals with the goals of the industry and, getting more people in here. The second one is, I don't know if I can drop this one yet, but this one's gonna be really cool. This is gonna be a youth-based one where the youth is the cohort and we're gonna be locking some stuff in and really getting to hear from them. Like, a lot of times we talk about, sorry, my dog is tweaking. A lot of times we talk about the youth. What can we do for the youth? What should we do for the youth? The youth don't want to get in our field. And we never invite them to the table and give them a voice. So that cohort is going to be going on this year. Plus, as you see, I'm here at the home studio. We're going to get some of these webinars knocked out so you all can get on those, because all my live stuff is basically taking on these cohorts and then I ain't got no time. You know what I'm saying? I would love to do these webinars live, but I'm going to record a gang of them, get them out to y'all so you all can get some of this manufacturing renaissance love, some of this blue collar baller love, and some of these tips and tricks that I've been not only learning on the road, but honing in and sharpening my skills on the road as I go to these different places, work with these different groups, companies, industry, technical colleges, city leaders. I'm always at the table, man. So I'm taking a collective of all of these voices and bringing them to you in the form of these webinars and these books if you can't come see me on the road at one of my tour stops. That's enough for now, and then I don't want to keep y'all too long. I'm about to hop on this call with USA Today. If y'all are familiar, they did a piece about manufacturing in America last summer. I was featured in that special piece. A lot of y'all in the MFG fam sent it to me. It's not on my wall yet. It's on my wall in the office. Thank y'all for hunting those down and getting them to me. Thank you for everybody that shouted me out, sent pictures of them getting them, bring them to the show so I can sign them. That's amazing. But this year, might be in it again. It might have a bigger feature. So we're going to see. Got a meeting coming up right now. I'll hop on that, see what's up with that USA Today. If you didn't check out this past one that came out, definitely check that out. And we making some updates on the website. New merch coming soon. Newsletter drop. We on the newsletter. If you have not signed up for the newsletter yet, drewcrowmfg.com. Get on there, MFG fam. That'll make you official. You're gonna get discounts on merch. You're gonna get the first people to learn about tour stops, all the different cool stuff there. A bunch of different type of access to me that I haven't been given for a long time. We about to give it now. And a gang of special announcements. And yeah, holla at you. Shout out to the MFG fam. Thank y'all for all the support.